Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best KitchenAid stand mixer attachments that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a home cook, a baking enthusiast, or just looking to upgrade your kitchen tools, this video is for you. You can find links to all the products in the description below, so let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Flex Edge Beater by Vaxapay, a must-have attachment for anyone looking to simplify mixing and scraping in one step. This attachment is designed for KitchenAid tilt-head stand mixer bowls of 4.5 to 5 quarts, making it ideal for home bakers who frequently work with medium-sized batches. The standout feature here is the silicone Flex Edge, which scrapes the sides of the bowl as it mixes, ensuring that every bit of your ingredients is evenly combined. This is a game changer for tasks like creaming butter, mixing cookie dough, or preparing frosting. In terms of design, the Flex Edge Beater is made of die-cast aluminum with a white Ford Teflon coating and flexible silicone edges. This combination makes it both durable and safe for regular use. It's lightweight and easy to attach, though it's not dishwasher safe, so you'll need to hand wash it for optimal longevity. Its non-stick properties are particularly useful as they prevent ingredients from caking onto the surface, which saves you time during cleanup. While this attachment excels at lighter tasks like mixing batters and mashed potatoes, it's not suited for heavy-duty kneading or hard doughs. That said, its versatility and time-saving features make it a worthy addition to your kitchen. If you're someone who values efficiency and hates pausing to scrape the bowl manually, this is an excellent investment. However, if you primarily work with thick bread doughs or need an attachment for heavy-duty tasks, you might want to look elsewhere. Overall, the Flex Edge Beater is a reliable tool for light to medium mixing jobs, earning its spot at number 5 on our list. Coming in at number 4, we have the Guanchao stainless steel slicer shredder attachments. If you're looking to expand the functionality of your KitchenAid stand mixer beyond baking, this versatile attachment is a fantastic choice. With 5 interchangeable blades, it covers a wide range of tasks, including slicing vegetables, shredding cheese, and even making wavy potato chips. Whether you're prepping for a salad, tacos, or homemade chips, this attachment can handle it all. The build quality is impressive, featuring BPA-free thickened plastic housing and rust-free 304 stainless steel blades. The detachable design allows for easy cleaning and storage, which is a massive upgrade over traditional, non-detachable slicers. It's also dishwasher safe for the blades, although the pusher and housing require hand washing. One standout feature is the enlarged 4.33-inch food spout, which speeds up the shredding and slicing process, making it a time saver in the kitchen. In terms of performance, this attachment is highly effective for everyday use, but may not be ideal for very large quantities or heavy-duty tasks. The lightweight design makes it easy to handle, but it can feel less sturdy when processing harder ingredients like nuts. Overall, this is a great choice for anyone who wants to add more versatility to their KitchenAid stand mixer without breaking the bank. It's perfect for home cooks who frequently prepare fresh salads, grated cheese, or sliced vegetables, though professionals may want something a bit more robust. Taking the 3rd spot, we have the Tamoon Stand Mixer Attachments 3-piece kit. This set includes 3 essential tools: the K45WW wire whip, K45DH dough hook, and K45B coated flat blade paddle, making it an excellent all-in-one upgrade for your KitchenAid tilt-head stand mixer. Whether you're whipping up meringues, kneading bread dough, or mixing cookie batter, this kit has you covered. Crafted from stainless steel and featuring a non-stick coating, these attachments are built to last. The wire whip is perfect for creating airy textures in whipped cream or egg whites, while the dough hook can handle even tough, high-gluten doughs with ease. The flat paddle is great for heavier mixtures like cookie dough or cake batter, and its non-stick coating prevents scratching your bowl. The design closely mimics original KitchenAid components, ensuring a snug fit and smooth operation. This kit is ideal for bakers who want a reliable set of tools for a variety of tasks. However, at just 15.8 ounces, the lightweight build may not be as heavy-duty as some users would like. Additionally, it's not dishwasher safe, so hand washing is required. Still, the Tamoon kit offers excellent value for its versatility and compatibility with multiple KitchenAid models. If you want to maximize your mixer's potential without investing in multiple separate attachments, this is a great option. At number 2, we have the KoFun Meat Grinder and Slicer Shredder Attachments, a versatile 2-piece set that takes your KitchenAid mixer to the next level. Whether you're grinding meat for homemade sausages or shredding vegetables for a quick salad, this attachment set has you covered. The meat grinder comes with 2 grinding blades, 4 grinding plates, and 3 sausage stuffer tubes, allowing you to create an array of dishes, from burgers to brats. The Slicer Shredder includes 3 stainless steel drum blades, perfect for slicing, coarse shredding, and fine shredding. The build quality of these attachments is noteworthy. The meat grinder is made of food-grade aluminum alloy, ensuring durability and safety, while the Slicer Shredder features BPA-free materials. Cleaning is straightforward, but only the slicer blades are dishwasher safe, so you'll need to hand wash the rest. The included cleaning brush is a thoughtful addition, helping you get into tight corners. This set is perfect for adventurous home cooks who want to experiment with homemade sausages, grind their own meat, or quickly prep vegetables. While it's a bit heavier than other attachments at 4.4 pounds, its robust design makes up for it. However, it's not ideal for those who only need basic mixing functions. Overall, the KoFun set is a powerhouse of versatility, making it a worthy runner-up on our list. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the KitchenAid KSMPRA Stand Mixer Attachment, Pasta Roller and Cutter Set. If you're serious about making fresh, homemade pasta, this 3-piece set is the gold standard. Designed and engineered by KitchenAid, this attachment fits all household KitchenAid stand mixers, transforming your mixer into a professional-grade pasta machine. The set includes a pasta roller, a fettuccine cutter, and a spaghetti cutter, giving you the flexibility to create restaurant-quality pasta right at home. The build quality is exceptional, with stainless steel rollers and cutters that ensure consistent, smooth rolling and clean cutting of pasta dough. The pasta roller features 8 thickness settings, allowing you to customize the thickness of your pasta sheets to your liking. Weighing 2.86 pounds, this attachment is sturdy and durable, designed to last for years. While it's not dishwasher safe, the included cleaning brush makes maintenance straightforward. This attachment is ideal for pasta enthusiasts who want to elevate their cooking game. The precision and ease of use make it suitable for beginners and experienced cooks alike. The only downside is the higher price point compared to other attachments, but the quality and performance justify the investment. If you love the idea of crafting fresh pasta from scratch, the KitchenAid Pasta Roller and Cutter Set is a must-have, earning its well-deserved spot at number 1 on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Happy cooking and see you in the next video.